All right, friends. So I am going to show you how to do a line plot. Line plots they're really not too bad. If you know timelines and you know number lines, you're going to do fine on a line plot. So let me show you one of the examples. Let me see if this is going to show up here. So this is one of the example problems from your book. So on one side, we have a tally chart. So we have the ages of kids. So the kids that are age 7, there are 3 of them. There are 5 kids that are 8, and there are 2 kids that are 9. So if I want to take this information right here and make it into a line plot, basically all I'm doing is I'm taking these tallies and I'm going to move them to this little number line thing, and I'm going to make them X's. Okay, so if I want to make a line plot for the 7-year-olds, there were 3 of them. So I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 X's above the 7. Then if I want to do 8-year-olds, I have 5 8-year-olds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 8-year-olds. And then I had 2 9-year-olds. Okay, so that is my line plot. The biggest thing that you want to pay attention to when you make a line plot is you're going to want to make sure that you see how my X's all kind of line up across, so that I can very easily look at this line plot and I can see which one has the most, which one has the least, because my X's aren't spread out all over the place. So you do kind of want to make sure that they're all about the same distance from each other and you're not just slopping down X's. Otherwise, they're going to be a little bit harder to see. But if you try to just kind of do it carefully, make sure you're making your X's about the same size and stacking them on top of each other, then a line plot can be really helpful for looking at data. So there's an example of one. So what I'm asking you guys to do today in your books, you guys are going to do page 568, which is the guided practice page. I want you to do the independent practice page next to it, so 569. And then also the problem solving page, which is 570. Okay? You don't have to do the homework unless you want to. I kind of think line plots are fun. You guys have some time. If you want to do the homework and you want to do those line plots, go for it. The other thing I forgot to tell you, and I should update this in my next video, please don't work ahead in the math book, because I'm not sure how far we're going to get before we go back to school. And once we get back in school, I don't want you to have your math book all filled out when we go to practice. So please just do this lesson today, and I will continue to update you on what lessons we're going to be doing. But as of right now, I can't tell you where we're going to stop. So please only do the lesson that I assigned to you that day, okay? All right, guys. If you have questions, let me know, and good luck.